My name is Khalil Locke. Welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do push-ups properly, and along with push-ups, I'm going to show you various styles of push-ups you can do if you are at that level, that strength level to do it or not. So here we go. We're just going to knock it out right now. So this is how you do a push-up. So first, what you want to do is you want your hands chest level. You want your hands chest level, and your hands chest level, and also right above your shoulders. All right. So when you're in your plank position, your push-up should look like this. Your hands should not be up here. All right. And when you do your push-up, make sure that your entire body, from your neck to your feet, is completely linear, meaning you have to be as straight as a board. So, like so. All right. Gotta be straight as a board. Now, if you have your feet out like this, your knees on the ground like this, your knees on the ground like this, have your hands up like this, your hip up like this, or have your body like this, it's not considered a push-up. All right. If you want to do a proper push-up, keep the tension in your entire body, and it will get better. If you want to do any of those poses, some of those poses I've actually shown you can use for ab workout and stretches, but that's another video. Right now, we're just going straight to push-ups. So again, push-ups, chest level, shoulder level, and now to the moment of truth. You're gonna go down. When you go down, you can come down with your nose on the ground like this, and come up, or you can have your head up, have your chest come down like this, and come up. All right. So one more time. Head down, nose down, head up, chest down. All right. And when you do your push-up, again, when you go down, make sure you go all the way down. When you go down, make sure you go all the way down. I don't want halfway, nothing like that. That's not considered a push-up. You gotta go all the way down. That's why I recommend you, for beginners, put your head down, leave your head down, and let your nose touch the ground. As soon as your nose touches the ground, that's a push-up. Then get raised back up. And I say your nose because your nose will touch the floor before your chest. So that'll be easier for you. Now, if you cannot do a full push-up, I will also say that you can do a training wheel push-up, where you have your feet out like this, but still your upper body is still completely straight. All right, hands still chest level, and you go down, and you come up. Go down, and you come up. Same rules apply. Now, I'll call this a training wheel push-up because I don't like the term girls push-ups. That's not right. That's sexist. We're not calling it. There's plenty of guys out there that do push-ups on their knees. So everyone's on the same boat. So we're calling this training wheel push-ups. All right. Cool. And that's about it. Thank you guys. On my next video, I'm gonna do various push-ups, exercises, real quick, so you can have a good idea of what you guys can do without any weights, without any jump. And I will also do some push-up variations for those who have like dumbbells at home. I will do exercises for those too, so stick around. Thank you.